Today's video from Shop Stuff, we're taking a quick look at how to change the date and time on the watches in the Waiter Call table service system. So there's a couple of different versions of the watches, but most of them have a panel of buttons on the right hand side. The bottom on or off switch is indicated by the red dot. If you press and hold down for a couple of seconds this button, the screen will light up and the watch will load and then go to the default page, which displays the current date and time. To change the date and time settings, you press the top button and hold it down, so that's indicated by a green dash, and you'll then go into the settings page. You can then arrow down using the third button down. I think it's 9 presses down to get to date and time. You then press the green button again at the top to go into the settings, and then you can then arrow up or down to select the time. So down 1 for 8 o'clock, and then you press the green button to confirm that setting, and it'll toggle over to the minutes, which you can adjust again by going up or down. You press the green button to confirm, and again the same with the seconds. Green button to confirm, and then it will jump to the date and time, so 22nd September 2016. So if we want to change that to today's date, 5th, green button to confirm, July, green button again to confirm, and then up to 2024. Green button will take you back to the time setting, so you should just be able to press the red button here, and again to go back to the main screen, and we can see the day has changed to Friday 8/16, and then we've got the date shown at the top. So I'll just repeat that procedure on this watch. So you press and hold down the bottom right hand button to turn the watch on. It comes up and shows the date and time. To change it, press and hold down the top right hand side button, arrow down to time and date setting, or date and time, green button to enter, use the arrow buttons to toggle, green to confirm, same again with the date, so I'll set this one to the 5th, July 2024, green to confirm, red to return, and once more. So again we've got Friday 8/17 and the 5th of July 2024. So that's how to set the date and time on the watches. I'll have another technical video showing you how to assign call buttons to the different watches. That video is probably appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check that out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit shopstuff.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.